Legislature, judiciary. The judiciary of Sri Lanka are the civil and criminal courts responsible for the administration of justice in Sri Lanka. The Constitution of Sri Lanka defines courts as independent institutions within the traditional framework of checks and balances. They apply Sri Lanka law, which is an amalgam of English common law, Roman Dutch civil law and customary law, and are established under the Judicature Act No. 02 of 1978 of the Parliament of Sri Lanka. The judiciary consists of the Supreme Court, the Court of Appeal, the High Court, District Court S, Magistrates Court S, and primary courts, although provisions are there for trials for serious offences to be held before a jury. At present all cases are heard before professional judges. The current system of courts are defined by the Judicature Act No. 02 of 1978. However, the modern form of European form of justice originated during the Dutch colonial occupation of the coastal areas of Sri Lanka in the 19th century. Local forms of civil and criminal law as well as system of courts existed for centuries prior to the European colonization. The Supreme Court of Sri Lanka is the highest judicial instance and final court of appeal. It is composed of the Chief Justice and not less than 6 and not more than 10 Queen Justices. Judges are appointed by the President with the nomination of the Parliamentary Council and serve for a lifetime period. The Supreme Court is the final appellate court and has jurisdiction in constitutional. The Court of Appeal hears all appeals from the High Court and courts of first instance. The court is composed of the President of the court and not less than 6 and not more than 11 other judges. The High Court is the only court in the island which exercises the jurisdiction of the Court of First Instance and the appellate jurisdiction with both civil and criminal jurisdiction. District courts are lower courts, headed by a district judge who is vested with original civil jurisdiction. Magistrates courts are lower court headed by a magistrate who is vested with original criminal jurisdiction. Originally known as police magistrates courts, current magistrates courts are established under the Judicature Act No. 2 of 1978 to each judicial division in Sri Lanka. The minister in charge of the subject of justice in consultation with the Chief Justice and the President of the Court of Appeal would define the territorial limits of each judicial division. At present there are 72 judicial districts in Sri Lanka. It has jurisdiction of every magistrates court is vested with original criminal jurisdiction, and is ordinarily empowered to impose sentences up to a fine of Rs. 1,500 and or 2 years rigorous, simple imprisonment unless power is vested in the magistrates court to impose higher penalties by special provision. Appeals from convictions, sentences or orders of magistrates courts within a province lie to the High Court of the province. In judicial divisions which does not have primary courts, magistrates courts exercise the jurisdiction of the primary courts. All magistrates are appointed by the Judicial Service Commission, which has power of dismissal and disciplinary control of the magistrates. Additional magistrates would be appointed to a magistrates court. Magistrates would be seconded to municipal magistrate courts. The Chief Magistrates Court in Colombo is the senior of the magistrates courts in the Judicial Division of Colombo. In remote areas where there are only one magistrate and or additional magistrate, unofficial magistrates would be appointed to cite on behalf of the magistrate in his/her absence, and postpone hearings to a later date. The primary courts in are lower courts and are the courts of first instance. The primary courts in Sri Lanka is a lower court and are the courts of first instance. There are 7 primary courts, located in Anamaduva, Anganukola Pelesa, Kandy, Malakam, Pilesa, Velawe and Venapwa. In the other divisions, the magistrates courts exercise the jurisdiction of the primary courts. The primary courts have criminal and civil jurisdiction. Labor tribunals are tribunals formed under the Industrial Disputes Act No. 62 of 1957 to handle labor disputes and termination of employment. Military courts in Sri Lanka are court-martials convened under the Army Act, the Navy Act or the Air Force Act. The Ministry of Justice appoints inquirers into sudden deaths under the Code of Criminal Procedure to carry out an inquest into the death of a sudden, unexpected and suspicious nature. Some large cities such as Colombo and Kandy have a city coroner's court attached to the main city hospital, with a coroner and additional coroner. The Chief Justice and Justices of the Supreme Court and Court of Appeal are appointed by the President of Sri Lanka with the nomination of the Parliamentary Council. Judges of the High Court are appointed by the President on the advice of the Judicial S.